25, deadlock. 1 minute and 55 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock.
Puno na ata yung memory mo, bigla na lang nag-i-stop eh.
Sige, basta matuloy lang. 2 points, change favor. Number 2, intercepted by Palaroan. Palaroan, 20 seconds shot clock. 15 seconds shot clock. Foul. Foul by Pat Lopez. 11 seconds shot clock. 1 minute and 28 seconds. 9 seconds to shoot.
Basta ikot lang
7 seconds. 32. Wala. Rebound by. Nakakuha ni Rivera. 1 minute 19. Turnover by Mac Calibes. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Score 27-25 in favor of Team D. Good ball na yan. 20 second shot clock. 1 minute and 10 seconds on the fourth quarter and the finals. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Palaroan, 1 minute and 10 second shot clock. Paparang kay ito, wala. Rebound by Rivera. 57 second shot clock. 54 seconds. 24 second shot clock. Calibes. 20 seconds to shoot. 19 seconds. TP all alone, take it 3. Wala. Rebound ni number 6. 43 seconds. 24 shot clock. Number 2. 27-25 in favor of Team D pa rin. 15 to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Take it 3. Wala. Rebound ni 24 seconds. Shot clock off na yan. Shot clock off. Oops, labas. Foul. Ang laki na gagadan. Ingat kayo. Foul by number 2. 18 seconds. No, wala na shot clock to ha. No shot clock. Wala na shot clock to. 18 seconds. Labang ang Team D. 27, 25. 17 seconds. 12, 27, 13 seconds to go. Wala na shot clock. 10 seconds. 8 seconds. 7. Foul. 5 seconds. All 27. 5 seconds. All 27. All 27. Pag-hard ka pa. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1.